Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam reiterates that no force can destabilize Manipur, urged students to respect teachers and maintain discipline. Modern College Alumni Association say expansion of GENIMS should not affect Modern College. And veteran Communist leader A.B. Burden passes away at 92. CPI Manipur State Council condoles his death. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chandrawan Kimcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam today reiterated that no force can destabilize Manipur. Gai Khangam raised his voice against the fabrication of history by a vested interest to meet their targets and maintain that it must be stopped. Speaking at the 14th Foundation Day of Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DESAM at GP Women's College, the Deputy Chief Minister said fabrication of history by vested interest is the cause of misunderstanding and mistrust between the hills and the valley. The Home Minister, however, maintained that no force can disunite Manipur. He said those who are trying to break up Manipur have no knowledge about the history of this land. Gai Khangam stressed the use of force cannot bring peace in the land and it is necessary to have understanding among the people. He also urged the student bodies to give more focus on the development of the education in the state. The minister observed that a person with no moral values will not be successful in life. He urged the students to maintain strict discipline and uphold moral values and respect elders and teachers. As part of the celebration, DESAM honored the 4 teachers with Chingu Maito Khongnang Thaba Award. The 60th Mega Blood Donation Camp was also held on the day.
Shanti haibase namphura purakpa yaroi leiba yaroi shanti sidi akoi amaga bhab taminaba by understanding by mutual understanding peace is maintained tawdabani marmaduna lanai ge history puthokpa to asi mana apama megai ga itihas semadi akoi marakta ukhatama man adasu it is not a threat for us. Only some handful people that doing that. They will not succeed. Manipur ki apun saktam thugaiba matik do ngamoy.
Member of Parliament Dr. Thokcho Maina today said that administration in the state suffers due to shortage of bureaucrats. Speaking at the inauguration of Joint Excellent Coaching Institute, a coaching center for MPSC and UPSC aspirants at New Chekon, Dr. Maina maintained that government is run by bureaucrats and one must at least give a try for administrative service, even if he or she chooses doctor, engineer or any profession as a career. Apart from MP TH Maina, Wangkhay MLA Yumkham Mirabot, Wabgai MLA Mohammad Fazur Rahman, among others, attended the inauguration of the coaching center run by Sunrise Trust Manipur. The center will provide coaching to MPSC and UPSC aspirants at low cost as an introductory complement.
Bureaucrats mayam is moi di perkasi pass or khallaga training tawraga leba khida moi mapani so moi tawdori ne in seudi mayam sida noina munna khangmani na hiram khuding da munna khangmani proper advice tawiyo yan vyavhar ina haibiyo yadraga di challenge tawiyo maram de kaigino leba sim mang dori ne ba koi da pari de to legadi koi information service kangde masida allied service mayam da train dori sing se moi dori di leba ki sakhona bidam da leirama problem kaya awara pa kaya si moi ni yengken biraga chungthok biraga solve to biraga masi je leba ki to biyo haibane madu natta bada hoji di onto ko thabakta problem solve to cha ganda kai mal khudoi hoi moi ge hai si mon oram yai problem si create to ya mana uye ko ye mo.
A candidate who appeared in the controversial written examination for recruitment of 116 nurses in RIMS today claimed that 3-member committee constituted to investigate into the alleged requested leak is nothing but to cover up the main culprit, Dr. A.K. Joy. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, the candidate said she, along with 8 other candidates, went to A Block RIMS at 9 in the morning to give their statement before the committee. Despite the presence of the 3 members of the inquiry committee, they were asked to wait for Dr. A.K. Joy, who is not a member of the committee. The candidate alleged that Dr. A.K. Joy, who was there while the statements were recorded, not only asked irrelevant questions, but also warned them with their consequences.
statement pibagi question mayam hangbagi maraksida Dr. A.K. Zoina nangna haido si hayo si sigi English season au si hayo si tau adu maina haidana maraksida dum jayetnaraga akoisda statement piringai maraksida sumaina taweba candidate khalliba selected oiba singdo maming mathase loina ithokpiro aduga mana phangiba mark mayamse loina haidokpiro on haiba kansida adugi rule kadaida lai exam da kanana adugu baza nai khonai adugumbadi sunya yade ana mana akoida maina khumakiba inquiry committee se anauba phajaba ama awang mathaki kanona semaga masigi inquiry se tawbiona.
Modern College Alumni Association today cautioned that expansions of Jenims should not affect Modern College. Speaking at a press meet held at the college premises, Secretary of the Association Ngangom Devendra said 50-year-old Modern College is the most important college in Imphal East and it has produced many eminent personalities. Any attempt to shift the college, which now has a swimming pool and other sports facilities, is unacceptable. Devendra added that areas on the northern and eastern sides of Jenims can be used for expansion or more floors can be added on the existing buildings.
Tangai padana pathokpa taragasu mamang amadi awangda pathokpiraga mafam saraba aduga iji sigi phan mayam amana mafam sidaida sagatna ngasi ngasimak swimming pool sidaida maigei somgi ekoi sanaroi mayam ama practice tawbam aduga sanabam oiriba sigumlaba mafam sing ase manghan bigano haina CM gi mafamda hanna request tawjari.
Poirei Leimarol Meira Paibia Punba Manipur in a press release condoled the death of its former General Secretary R.K. Landhoni, who passed away on December 31. On the other hand, All Manipur Women Voluntary Association also condoled the death of R.K. Landhoni. Akomlup Kanglipal condoled the death of Hawbijam Kula of Kwagatil Limajam Laikai on the 26th of last month. Kula was the advisor of Akomlup Kanglipal. Shamrock Woodstock Preschool, Chingmairong today organized a carnival for small children from 2 to 4 years. Painting competition and other entertainment programs were held at the carnival held on the theme Chota Bhim. Two Manipuri feature films, Nungshibi Gangtok and Nangi Shaktam, the 5th and the 6th production of Green Chili's film production were launched today. Senior actors Lailabati Chanambam and Konikar Khoraijam appealed to filmmakers and producers to give due importance to senior artists as any other artists and stop the culture of giving more importance to lead actors and actresses. Two Sikkimese models, Lux and Ayushi and Mahesh Thaunawsam will feature in Nungsibi Gangtok, while Soma Laishram and Mahesh Thaunawsam will be the main casts of Nangi Shaktam. Both the films will be directed by O. Gautam. Film Forum Manipur President Laimayum Surjakanta, screenplay writer Laimayum Dhanachandra, Thongju ex-MLA Bijoy Koijam and various renowned artists attended the launch.
Resident film chapter, resident. See, international language filmmaker, not the national language filmmaker, not the way. We are the resident filmmaker. Resident filmmakers now, Kanari Matok Matai. I give a Shaki, Magi, by Matok Matai. Resident idea of the I know. National film Matok Maka, international language Matok Mapilla Maka. I give myself tea. I do not have to Jalaga, Mahata, Imaho, Mamo, Ima, Matum, White,
Northeast Biography Forum today felicitated persons who have won national and international awards in various fields at the function held at Manipur Press Club. 13 persons who have made contributions in the field of art and culture, literature, teaching, medicine were presented with gifts at the event. Members of various civil society organizations also attended the function. Bharatiya Janata Party today held a meeting on the theme Support BJP Save Manipur at Hairong Khongbi Community Hall in Lamlai Mayai Lekai. The meeting was held in connection with the Municipal Council and Nagar Panchayat elections to be held on the 11th of this month. BJP Manipur Pradesh President Thaunawjam Chauba, veteran politician O Joy, former President Shanti Kumar Sharma, former Rajya Sabha member B.D. Bering, Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Thongju MLA THB Shojit, BJP spokesperson R.K. Shivchandra, BJP RTI cells Poirei Hanba and BJP Mahila Morcha National Vice President Shraddha Devi were among those who attended the campaign. Speakers at the meeting said the BJP has become stronger all over the country. They urged the people to vote for the party in the upcoming Lamlai municipal election. They also appealed to the voters to support the BJP in the 2017 assembly elections. BJP leader Thanawat Chauba alleged that Congress did nothing for the welfare of the people in its 14-year rule. He also alleged that Congress President Sonia Gandhi and Vice President Rahul Gandhi are involved in many scams. He maintained that the Congress has become weak.
Congress Party Bharat ki mara photoktura thokre party atu ki president do jamin da thare jamin da leine Sonia Gandhi Rahul Gandhi jamin ne lepa ka si wanglan na chat pa yaroi haiba instruction ga lona na jamin thare scam haiba si puran ba haiba ni ne puran lubagi ni ne Congress Party uji loi rim se Manipur da Congress loi ne halang le tum na thaba angang amna thar su pan do pan ri kai no itum dulla bodu da phala du yo gam dra so la.
Meanwhile, Thongju MLA TH Biswajit said during its long rule, the Congress party did nothing praiseworthy for the people of the country. He asserted that after the people realized these mistakes of the Congress, the BJP-led NDA government came to power at the centre. Biswajit said NDA government has started several schemes for the welfare of the people. He cited the schemes like Beti Padhao Beti Bachao, Mudra Yojana.
Crore lakh taragi yontho magal maduna afhava sarkanda koi praja singda loan web tawbire lairaba praja singi pire haidana sikumba nattaba oidaba mayam se sirin si khangpa du ngasi yengbiu Congress ki karamba minister amta scandal sinadana tokiba laike habase bharat ki nagrik khudimang na khangpadagi ngasi makhoi sidi thamba yaba akhoi ki party nate makhoi de leini ba mioi singsti loina mak sintu ya har kan maru phangna muthat kadamni.
Commerce and Industries Commissioner Vivek Kumar today inspected multi-story market complex at Moreh. Altogether, there are 82 shops which will be auctioned by the state government. Accompanying the Commerce and Industries Commissioner were Managing Director Manitco, Manipur as Ibotombi Sharma and other officers. The inspection team also checked the lift services in the complex. Commerce and Industries Commissioner Vivek Kumar said a proposal will be sent to the cabinet for the clearance of the auction process. It may be mentioned that the market complex was inaugurated by Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam on November 25 last year. Now, veteran communist leader Ardhendu Bhushan Bardhan passed away on Saturday in Delhi. He was 92. The veteran CPI leader was undergoing treatment at GB Pant Hospital after tests detected a blood clot in his brain and doctors had described his condition as critical. Bardhan had been admitted to the hospital after he suffered a paralytic stroke last month. Cutting across party lines, political leaders paid rich tribute to the CPI leader. Bardhan steered CPI during the turbulent period of coalition politics at national level in the 1990s. In a tweet, President Pranab Mukherjee expressed heartfelt condolences on passing away of Bardhan. In his tweet, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said he will always remember Bardhan as a passionate communist, fully committed to his ideology and principles. Congress President Sonia Gandhi said in his demise, not only the CPI but the entire nation has lost a leader who championed the cause for the dispossessed and marginalized throughout his life. CPIM General Secretary Sitaram Yechuri said Bardhan's wisdom, experience and guidance will be missed. BJP leader Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi described his death as a huge loss to Indian politics. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said she is saddened at the passing away of Bardhan. Janata Dal United Chief Sharad Yadav, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha were among the leaders who condoled his death. Meanwhile, CPI Manipur State Council today condoled the death of CPI leader Ardhendu Bhushan Bardhan, popularly known as A.B. Bardhan. CPI comrades held a meeting to condole the death at Irabad Bhavan. Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council, Dr. Moirang Themnara, described A.B. Bardhan as a leader who cared for the people of Manipur like a father cared for his children. He said his death is a big loss for the CPI. Dr. Nara said comrades will endeavour to realize his dream by strengthening the party. The meeting also observed 2-minute silence as mark of respect to the departed leader. A.B. Bardhan was the National General Secretary of CPI and ITOC for many terms. The last rites will be performed in Delhi tomorrow.
Parliament Bardhan ki party ki mihut
yawan ya de hebs hai there is plates as was saksi kamla de ya samai logo ki ceasefire extension Manipur yokdana bagi Manipur ki territorial integrity na bagi and what not Manipur ki damat mana to gi da lagi di di we feel proud of Comrade Bharat as a political party ate anti dolsina to the communist party na kaitong idesu handagi de Madu manu Comrade Bharat ki contribution maki wakhalon maki lamjing maki participation involvement towards the promotion of Manipur.
A day after terror strike on IAF base at Pathankot, a senior officer of the National Security Guard was killed and 4 others injured in an accidental explosion during combing operation at Pathankot Air Base this morning, pushing the number of casualties among security forces to 7. The officer has been identified as Lieutenant Colonel Niranjan. The grenade went off during search operation by security personnel. The mishap took place as security personnel were destroying the unexploded ammunitions. Gunshots and a blast were heard during the search operation, leading to speculation that one more terrorist could still be holed up inside. Meanwhile, Subedar Fateh Singh, a 51-year-old army man who lost his life during combing operation at the Indian Air Force base near Punjab's Pathankot town yesterday, had won a gold and a silver medal at the first Commonwealth Shooting Championship held in Delhi in 1995. The National Rifle Association of India mourned his death. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the 103rd session of the Indian Science Congress at Mysore University. Eminent scientists and technologists from across the country will hold brainstorming sessions on frontier science and will also dwell upon the ambitious Make in India program. Eminent scientist CNR Rao, a recipient of Bharat Ratna, will deliver a lecture on doing science in India today. After the inaugural session, 5 Nobel laureates, John B. Gordon from Britain, Das Sachman from Israel, David J. Gross and Arthur B. McDonald from the US, and Sergei Horosh from France will speak at the panel discussion on science and technology, present and future. After taking part in the Science Congress, the Prime Minister will also lay the foundation stone for the new helicopter manufacturing unit at Tumkur and will also inaugurate the 21st International Conference on Frontier in Yoga Research and its application at Jigni near Bengaluru. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh today visited Karimganj sector of India-Bangladesh border in Assam and said the porous border will be sealed in 2016. The minister, who arrived in Assam on a 2-day visit, inspected the Stemaghat border outpost in Karimganj district. He said the porous border should have been sealed long time ago. The minister was accompanied by Union Minister of State for Sports and Youth Affairs, Sarbanand Sonowal, who hails from Assam, some Bharatiya Janata Party leaders, and a delegation of all Assam Students' Union. Now in sports news, Ibudho Thangjing Polo Club C and 10 Polo Club A beat their rivals today in the 31st N. Hazari and Dr. N. Tombi State Polo Tournament held at Papal Kangjibung. Ibudho Thangjing Polo Club C thrashed KM Polo Club B 9-0 in the first match, while 10 Polo Club A drubbed Nongchup Pana Polo Club 8-4 in the second match. The tournament is organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. PB United Judging beat Salai FC Judging 1-0 in the 8th league match of the 27th Langtabal Kendra football tournament today. El Pratap of PB United Judging netted the solitary goal in the 45th minute of the match. The tournament is hosted by Judging Inat Kanbalup at Regional College's Judging Ground. There will be no match tomorrow. Maira Bashikong defeated FCT Kiamgai 2-1, while LLK Judging Karam thrashed AMKA Langtabal 9-1 in the 7th state-level Moirangjam Ravichandra Memorial Open Football Tournament today. The tournament is organized under the aegis of M. Ravichandra Trust at Kiamgai Idol Girls School, Kiamgai Mayai Lekai. Four-man open football tournament organized by Lalambung Takilambam Lekai Youth Development Organization kicked off today. Host LTYDOA Lalambung Makong thrashed Highway Tire Zone Thangmaipan Bolim Lekai 5-0 in opening match. In another match, Brother FC Thangmaipan Hijam Dewal Lekai defeated RKC Kuyatong 1-0. MMGS proprietor M. Madhumangol and AMFA Vice President K. Baroni among others attended the inaugural function. Now in cricket, Model Club A Chingamaka have reached the semi-finals of the 13th Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament. In the third quarter-final match played today at Langtabal Public Ground, Model Club A Chingamaka won the toss and elected to bat first. They made 172 runs for 8 in 30 overs. In reply, Nauria Pakhang Lakpa Sporting Union Ka Imphal for all out for 148 in 28.3 overs. Model Club A Chingamaka batsman Tomba bagged Sapam Mani Singh man of the match for his 78 runs. 10 teams are competing in the tournament organized by Manipur Veteran Cricket Association. The fourth quarterfinal will be played between Dynamic Sports Union Kwagatil and Jem Kagimpally tomorrow. Oscar Paunabazar beat Yai School Athletic Club by 9 wickets in the second played cricket tournament. In the 29th league match played today at Luang Pokpa Cricket Ground, Luang Sangbam, Yai School Athletic Club won the toss and batted first. They were all out for 69 in 18.2 overs. In the second innings, Oscar Paunabazar made 70 for 1 in 16 overs, beating their rival by 9 wickets. Oscar Paunabazar's all-rounder Wilson was adjudged the man of the match. Force Ketrigao and Nauria Pakhang Lakpa Sports Association will meet tomorrow. Now, Manipur team, which won the runner-up title of the 54 Junior Mr. India National Bodybuilding Championship, were felicitated at an event held at Conference Hall of Manipur Olympic Association at Kumalambak. The event was hosted by the All Manipur Bodybuilding and Fitness Association. Manipur team bagged 2 gold, 3 silver and 3 bronze medal in the championship to claim the runner-up title. Coach of the team is L. Bipin. Amba treasurer N.G. Nabachandra presented gifts to the players in memory of his late son Thongju Emile T.H. Biswajit, social worker R.K. Shivchandra and member of Amba attended the event.
Karamba mafamdana si sanafamji thamaga hena chahokadagi karaida aikogi singmi amadi tammi aikoje karaida posi ma khilakadi akoi masinje liagadagi haibagi policy program laitaba sigumba sina aikogi manipur sai danga singasi no magi aikogi haugatchari ibana haron jingsida encouragement pidaba akoina ju assembly floor da law khrabani lairiba angang jingjigi lairiba akoigi incentive la khraga pibuju adum backlog thamaga adum aikoi da player mayam la alaga hockey gi oiro badminton gi oiro afawa player singsi makoina pibidabasina akoigi encouragement pibagi mahutta discouragement oina piraga leba government amane mase.
Now, before we wind up, here's a quick reminder of the headlines once again. Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam reiterates that no force can destabilize Manipur, urged students to respect teachers and maintain discipline. Modern College Alumni Association say expansion of JNIMS should not affect Modern College. And veteran communist leader A.B. Burden passes away at 92. CPI Manipur State Council condoles his death.